This is the Mechanics Homework Booklet, questions 1 to 3. Question 1. What is meant by a vector quantity? A vector quantity is one that has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude just means size. All quantities have size, but a vector quantity cannot be fully described without stating a direction. An example of a vector quantity, you could have velocity, force, acceleration, displacement, or there are a number of other possibilities. Question 2. Which of these is a scalar quantity? Kinetic energy is the only one of these that doesn't act in a particular direction. Velocity is a vector quantity in contrast to speed, which would be a scalar. Forces we represent with arrows in diagrams. It's quite clear they act in a given direction. And momentum is the product of mass and velocity, a scalar and a vector quantity, and this also has direction. Question 3. Two forces of 6 newtons and 10 newtons act at a point. Which of the following could not be the magnitude of the result or the resultant? So we're adding these two vector quantities, and we have to consider when we do that they have direction. The maximum resultant would be if these two forces were acting in the same direction, and we'd simply add 6 and 10 to get 16. The least would be if the 6 newtons opposed the 10 newtons, as I've drawn here. This would give us a 4 newton resultant. Clearly 3 newtons is less than this, so it isn't possible. The other two values would be achieved by making the forces act at an angle to each other. So you could have 10 newtons followed by 6 newtons at an angle, giving a resultant on the third side of the triangle.